What if you become your own boss today? That would be great, wouldn't it? You can be sitting at home and earning money using nothing but your phone or computer. You can earn anywhere from $5 to $500 per day using this simple method I'm about to show you. I mean, how awesome is that? And the best part is, anyone can do this, anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter what skills you have or how much money you have. There is no investment or credit card required, just a smartphone or a computer with internet access. This is really a great opportunity to start earning more money than ever. The name of this amazing website is Hey Money Crushers, welcome back. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. In this video, I'll be sharing a website that lets you earn money simply by doing small tasks that anyone can do right now. There's no limit on how much you can work and how much you earn. You decide what income you want. Make sure you watch this video carefully and follow all the steps. I have seen a couple of my friends missing out on a few steps and ended up not getting paid. But don't you worry, your Stacy is right here with her amazing research to guide you all the way. Now, before I move on any further, I want my Money Crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos. Also, I will be giving away $2,000 in August to a lucky subscriber, so be sure to subscribe. I included 2 bonus tips in the video, so make sure you pay close attention. I know you're excited to learn this amazing method of earning money, so let's get straight into the video. For the last 2 months, my brother made more than $2,000 using this website I'll be showing you in a minute. To show how grateful he is, he took me out to dinner to eat our favorite food, sushi. And even while sitting in the restaurant, he was still earning money with this website that pays so much money for so little work. This website will replace your 9-to-5 job today, and you will improve your financial situation right away. Sit tight, listen carefully, and prepare your fingers because after watching this video, you already earned $250. So without further ado, let's learn how to earn money online with this simple method. The name of this website is paidwork.com. Paidwork is a free website that offers a variety of money-earning methods like watching ads and YouTube videos, engaging on social media with likes and comments on different posts, filling out simple surveys, playing mobile games, and more. I will explain everything later in the video. For now, I want my Money Crushers to head over to paidwork.com and sign up for a free account. As I mentioned earlier, you can make money online on this website using nothing but a phone, a computer, or a tablet with no investment. Anyone can do this because it's a simple way of earning money online from your home, and there are no skills or experience required. Now, click on the registration button at the top right corner. This will further take you to the registration page. You need to create a free account in order to start earning money. Paidwork offers you 3 different ways of signing up: via Microsoft account, Google account, or just via your email address. Choose the one most suitable for you. Don't worry, it's completely free. After you finish signing up, your dashboard will appear. This right here is your dashboard. Here you can see how much money you've made so far. Your dashboard gives you all sorts of information. How much you earned today, yesterday, in the last 7 days, and this month. Right here is your total balance. It represents the total amount of money you earned so far using this method. You can also track your statistics in the Analytics tab right here. This graph represents how much money you are earning using all of the 4 methods available on this website. To start earning money with this method is really easy. Just head over to the Earn tab right here on the left of your screen. You can see all of the 4 methods you can earn money from. You can play games, fill out surveys, watch videos, and do online shopping. I recommend you download the Paidwork app to your smartphone. It is available on both iOS and Android, and it's free. Some of these methods are only available on mobile devices. Method available on both smartphones and computers is filling out surveys. Keep watching so you don't make a mistake a lot of people are making while filling out surveys on this website. Click on the Earn button below the Fill Out Surveys header. You will be given a 1-minute introduction to filling out surveys. The most important part about filling out surveys on this website is to be completely honest and to take your time while doing them. If you fill out the survey too fast or if the answers don't match, the survey will be terminated and you won't get paid. After you successfully pass the introduction, you will have a few options to choose from to fill out surveys. Let's choose this one. You can see what kind of surveys we can fill out. Remember, take your time and be honest while doing them. In the Paidwork app, you can play games, watch videos, and do online shopping to earn money. so be sure to download and install the app. Now for my money crushers who just want more out of everything, here are 2 secret tips for you. But before I reveal them, be sure to like this video and subscribe to Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. It's time for the first tip. In order to get more surveys, click on the Settings button and navigate to the About tab. Here you must fill out these pieces of information about you, so paid work could give you more surveys to fill out and you can earn more money. Make sure to click on the Save buttons after you're done with each category. The second tip for you guys is to use the referral program that Paid Work offers. For every friend you refer, you both get $10 whenever one of you make a payout. How awesome is that? To request a payout, go to the Billings tab. The payment threshold is $10, and you don't need to add a payment method until you reach $10. Since you're going to make $10 in no time, be sure to provide the correct payment information. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.